Hey guys, so I want to do an unboxing with you guys on my latest pickup from Oddlies. I've always wanted a carpet extractor. The ones I really want, I cannot afford it at this time. So I was in Oddlies and I saw this Bissell little green Pet Pro, if you will, with tax. Walk out the door, it was $60 and change. It was $59.99, and I said for myself, maybe this is a good start for me. I cleaned out the interior of my truck and I used the rotary brush. And once I did that on the upholstery, a whole bunch of dust came out of the upholstery. And that was me using a brush originally and dampening the upholstery and wiping it off. So I was like, that's not good. My wife is asthmatic, so try to keep my cars as clean as I possibly can. But enough chatting. Let's see what comes in this little green Pet Pro bristle Bissell. So some of its functions, it says superior suction, professional power, cleans multi surfaces. Um, what is included uh, in this? Excuse the crossover. It's a 3-inch stain tool, a spraying crevice tool, deep stain tool, an 8-ounce trial size formula. So let's see for ourselves. Now I'm gonna test all of that out. Hopefully in a video before it gets cold because I am in a warm climate temperature. So here is our crevice tool. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is the trial size chemical that you get. This is the pet stain tool. Hope you guys can. Nope. I was hoping you guys can see that. Let me bring that up a little bit. So that's the pet stain tool. This is the crevice tool. Again, this is the formula, that trial size that comes with it. I don't know if you've seen the other ones, so I'm just showing it to you again. And this is the 3-inch stain tool. let's take the rest out of the box. Let's bring it down some again. So this is what it looks like. So on the back here, you have your power cord, which seems to be pretty long. Right here, which would be your power button. Right back here would be your chemical bucket, whatever you wanna call it. If I'm saying that right. You just turn the knob here and you fill up your water and your chemical in there. Twist that back. Make sure that is seated down. Around here is where your tool is. It has a little handle so that it doesn't fall off. You just put it like that and that will hold that in place. You push that out. You have a decent size hose. I would say probably about 4 feet, but you do have something you can wrap your hose around. Once you're done, and again, put your hose back safely. Around front, which would be your chemical or your dirty water. So you would turn this up like so, pull that off like so, and your dirty water comes in here. Right here, it reads your fill line. So you shouldn't go all the way up here. Once your water gets to here, that is basically about it. I'm just trying to see how would you dump this? You're here. Something doesn't seem right to me, because once you get all of this up here and you get it filled, I'm sorry, how are you going to dump it? If you guys know, let me know, please. This just seems baffling to me. Not unless this lid comes off, which would then make sense, but it doesn't. Not unless there are 2 holes right here. I don't know if you can see it. So there's 2 holes that are right here. So I guess you would pour out like that. I don't know. That doesn't make any sense to me. Here we go. Duh. Okay. So what happens is this has a lock. So what you do is, once you move the handle in the front, it closes it. You have to push the handle all the way back to release the locking mechanism. You pick up and you pour out. Sorry about that, guys. But this is my first machine here. It's me just unboxing it and showing you. All right, guys, so that is the Bissell Little Green Pro Machine. Hopefully I'll get some more videos to come. It doesn't look like it has a self-cleaning mechanism. So from what I see, a lot of people with the Bissell, how they backwash, clean out the hose, you have to get a bowl and suction through that bowl and let that water come in here. But I will do another video with that once I start using it and clean it out. And again, these are your tools that you get right off the bat, and you get a sample. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Give me a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and subscribe.